In this video, we will show you how to adjust the accuracy on your Titan 200 cutter. Please note that this video was created as an enhancement to the service manual. Refer to the manual for additional information, specs, and procedures.
When your actual cut sheet is longer or off from your display, an accuracy adjustment is needed. I use 11 by 17 inch piece of paper to cover the whole area of the back gauge. Send my machine to 2 inches. Make your cut. Take out my strip and get my measurement. Right now my ruler says I'm at 1 3/4 inches on the strip. To fix that, we'll go into our maintenance mode, go into our parameters, toggle down to accuracy adjust, press enter, and we'll enter our actual measured cut. In this case, it was 1 3/4 inches. Press enter. Now press clear. The back gauge will move back, find home, and then beep. To recheck your accuracy, go back 2 inches, send. Place your piece of paper up against the back gauge. And now you can see my cut is right at 2 inches.
For more information on the Titan 200 cutter, visit binding101.com or call the number on your screen.